Walking down the red carpet of SIMA 2021 is an award herself, I must say. Ma'am, you're looking absolutely lovely.
Thank you so much.
Would you like
that introduction?
Thank you. And I think you've been a part of SIMA several years ago, right?
Like it's my third year.
Amazing. So this is our hat trick. We're celebrating a hat trick
Yes.
this year. How does it feel being back after the pandemic?
Third time's a charm. I think it feels great to see people. That's something I was craving with all the solitude. I'm excited to be here.
But I'm sure you know that what kept us all super excited. Like for me, the last movie I watched before the pandemic in the theatre was Ala Vaikuntapuram Lo, right? So Butta Bomma was celebrated even more because virtually I'm sure you would have watched a lot of people doing their own versions of it in reels and everything. Did you follow those? Did you follow people dancing to the song?
You know, I saw a lot of videos, and my father is one of those people who wants to go on YouTube and, you know, he will see all the versions. So he will send me all the best ones always. So it's been amazing. I think when I don't think I understand how big the song has been, you know.
Correct.
But I have to tell you, I went to Chennai recently and I went to the beach and I thought that, I don't know, like, you know, I maybe like Hyderabad, I know, you know, Telangana, Andhra, that people will know me.
Recognition,
Yeah.
yeah.
And I went to the beach and within 5 minutes, people were like, Butta Bomma, Butta Bomma, Butta Bomma. So that's when you know that the song has gone everywhere.
I'm from Chennai myself and I could totally relate to everybody doing that.
Yeah.
But is there something that you would like to share with the fans who made it such a big blockbuster on the internet?
I mean, the song is yours. I mean, what can I even say? Y'all made it special. Y'all made it what it was. And I love you guys for it.
That's so sweet. And before you leave, we have to talk about your nomination in the Best Actress category. How does this feel?
Very. I mean, I would say I'm so glad, and it feels good when you work hard and you know you get recognized for it. So thank you to SIMA for that.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a lovely evening, and we're waiting to watch you walk back with your award.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, at the red carpet of SIMA 2021, we have with us the gorgeous Aparna. How are you this evening?
Thank you. I'm great. How are you?
Doing well, looking very, very, very beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Big night for you, right?
Yeah, big night.
How does it feel?
Feels great. It's my first SIMA, and not just that, we all have come out of a huge break, so it makes me feel very happy to be here right now.
Amazing. And so much happened for you during the pandemic, right? You were part of the biggest OTT blockbuster of the country. How was it?
I felt great because that was one thing which kept me alive during, you know, emotionally and everything. So that was one thing, a huge blessing which happened to me during the OTT time.
Amazing. So this is to reach out to all the fans on social media directly. What would you like to share with them? Because you didn't get the experience of sitting down in the theatre and watching Surare Potra with the audience, right? You had to virtually see their reaction and understand how the film did. So what would you like to share with them?
A lot of people, you know, they watched it right when the movie got released. So that was actually
Me too.
so that was actually one huge thing for me, because as soon as they watched, they started texting, they started calling, and that was some kind of an experience, because we all were like sad, oh, we're not able to see this in theaters, but we got something more than that, I think.
Oh, that's lovely. Anything you would like to share with your fans and followers who have accepted you so wholeheartedly in the last 2 years?
Yeah, thank you first of all for accepting Bhumi and Surare Potra, and I hope I get to do more characters like Bhumi, which inspires a lot of people. So credit goes to Sudha ma'am, and I hope I get more characters like that.
And we have no doubt that you're going to excel in everything. We're really looking forward to watching your films and have a beautiful evening ahead.
Thank you so much.
you.
Bye.